This app's appears show you
How to share your current location on iMessage. Follow these easy steps to easily send your location. Open message apps and go to the conversation where you want to share your location. And now you have to tap on this plus icon and here tap on location, and here you will get your current location. If you want to send your current location, you have to pin the current location. Just point this green dot here and click on send pin. Once you pinned your current location, just tap on the send button to send the location. And now the recipient will be able to see your location by tapping on this map, and it will directly open in Apple Map, and here we can see my location has been successfully pinned and shared to the contact. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.